This week marks the 39th anniversary of the blizzard of 1978. More than 35 inches of snow fell in Muskegon in one of the worst storms ever to hit Michigan. Schools closed for a week. Roofs collapsed under the weight of the snow. Only emergency vehicles were allowed to travel, and the governor called in more than 750 members of the National Guard to clear away the snow. Wow.
Yeah, well, we won't see that much snow this weekend, but we will see some typical January weather.
Yeah, George, far cry from what we were seeing in that video right there.
Absolutely, and the reason why all of those vehicles were stuck was because the weather predictions back then were nowhere near as good as they are today.
No.
We had the Groundhog Day blizzard here a few years ago. They had the roads cleared within 18 hours. That's how well prepared they were. But we're not going to see anything like that. We'll see lake effect snow, and there'll maybe be enough to shovel and plow at a few areas. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. We have more lake effect snow flurries in sight, and this will be typical for January. It's also blue, a little bit cooler weather in view coming up tomorrow. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 36. It made 36. That is 4 days in a row with your 3-degree guarantee. Hopefully extend that streak tomorrow. Tomorrow not going to be anywhere near as bad as what you might expect. There'll be a few flurries both in the early part of the day and especially toward evening, but the bulk of the day just cloudy skies, but temperatures are going to be below freezing. They'll fall below freezing later on this evening. So the main issue will be where the pavement's gotten wet. There could be some black ice here. Up in Fremont, there were some slippery conditions with some snow showers earlier today. Maybe this is what your day was typically like. Occasionally a snow shower coming through, the visibility would drop, and then from time to time, especially in the afternoon, you see a peek at the sun. And we'll see maybe a few breaks in the clouds as we get through the evening hours and tomorrow as well. But temperatures are going to fall below freezing. The heavier snow right now is falling over southwest lower Michigan. Up north, there are a couple of snow showers, especially over Mecosta County, moving out of Newaygo County right now. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, mainly just cloudy, but there are one small band of snow showers from just south of Allendale down into the Door area toward Wayland, and then more snow showers down along the I-94 corridor. This is where the higher impacts will be later on this weekend. Otherwise, hour by hour, you can see cloudy skies, snow showers right in through here overnight. This is where the accumulations will take place. Other than that, during the day tomorrow, on and off snow flurries here and there. Not a whole lot going on. Tomorrow night, there'll be a little wave of energy that comes on through. We'll see more snow showers starting to develop, and they'll be on and off during the day Saturday, and we'll repeat this again on Sunday. And some areas may actually see a few breaks in the clouds on Saturday, especially north and east of the greater Grand Rapids area. Not looking at a lot of snow. This is what the models are printing out between now and daybreak. Less than an inch in most locations, and by the time we get through Friday night and into Saturday, we could see up to an inch of snow or more in some locations to the northwest and southwest, the usual lake effect snow belts. 8 to 14 day outlook says it is going to be cool to start the month of February, the 3rd through the 9th. Colder than average temperatures with above average amounts of precipitation. That usually means in the form of some snow, so winter is certainly not over. Tomorrow, though, a few flurries, but it'll be breezy at the lake shore, 28 to 30. That's below freezing. That means what falls will stick. Around 27 to 29 up north. And again, wind chills will be dropping into the teens. And from Grand Rapids southward, this will be the higher impacted areas with highs around 29 to 30. We'll see mainly snow flurries here in Grand Rapids with that west wind. Sun coming up at 1 minute after 8 o'clock. We'll stay below freezing, but not much below, between about 26 and 30 throughout the weekend. A little bit of sunshine on Monday, and then a quick hitting Alberta Clipper system coming through Monday night may give us some accumulating snow through Tuesday morning. 13 on target forecast. That Alberta Clipper may warm us up into the mid-30s on Tuesday, and then we'll see mostly cloudy skies as we head through Groundhog Day next week. And another interesting system may come through next Saturday and Saturday night. Snow changing to rain, back to snow as temperatures jump up maybe into the mid-40s briefly. So all the way around, looks like we just got some lake effect snow here for the weekend.